As a new offering in the Apple AirTag wallet has come around, the Snapback Slim wallet really tries to do the best of both roles, carrying cards and dealing with the AirTag. So let's get into it. Packaging perspective, it comes very simply. It was part of a Kickstarter campaign that I participated in. There's your card. Please get social. From there, we just have a quick review of what we see. And it is a very, very slim cut of leather. I'll explain to you why. It does have some nice burnishing on here. And this is where the AirTag goes. It's available in black or brown. Right here, feature-wise, we have an AirTag slot right here in the front. So it's front and center, doesn't get in the way. And then in the interior, we have one card slot right here. And you can fit cards in here as well as cash folded in thirds or fourths. And that's a quick review of the features of the Snapback Slim wallet. It measures 3.5 by 2.7 by 0.1. And it weighs 10 grams or 4.4 ounces. One card to be minimal. Reasonable is probably 4 cards. The company recommends up to 6 cards and folded bills, like you saw in the card and cash insertion test. But I do know that Nick, the creator, is currently carrying 7 cards in his wallet. You can see how it inserts into your pocket here. Goes in very simply, very small, very thin, and very easy to keep in your front pocket. Now, Nick is the owner-creator of the Slim Air and several other wallets, all launched via Kickstarter. Now, we've seen AirTag wallets before, and this one just brings it to an ultra slim factor. Now, it's designed and made in the United States. This is made in the US. It is a full-grain veg tan Italian leather, and the way that it was put together, it's machine stitched, and it's really reinforced well at the top here. You can see the reinforcement up here, up there, and on the back you can see where it's wrapped up and a lighter is used to melt the thread. And it has a very light painted edge on it. Smells nice too, really. It's like, oh yeah. It's priced for $55. Now, initially, the leather seemed a bit thin. I'm sure you're looking at this going, well, geez, that thing will tear. But in talking with Nick, they had tried several different weights of leather, even a wider version of this wallet, to see if they could carry more cards. But over time, about a month or so, everything became too loose. So regardless, stretch is going to happen. That's why it's a little thinner this way. It's not as wide, and it'll work just fine to take the cards you want to put in it. Inserting the AirTag was really pretty easy. You can see I have it in here. To get it out, just push it up so it slips out. And there you have the availability. You have your AirTag here, and you just slip that in. And of course, we know that there is a lip here between the bottom of the AirTag and this nice shiny part at the top. And that's what's designed for this to fit into, so you're only getting the nice shiny part, and that helps as a security to keep it in. And you're probably thinking, well, geez, can this just push out? Well, I'm sure you'd have to really try, because it's engineered through pretty tight tolerances. And then once you have some cards in here, it's really not going to go anywhere fast. So let's put some cards in here. And because of the rigidity, it's not going to pop. So the ability to keep this in here fast, stay fast, is really good. Now on to the final score. Quality of 4. This is a pretty good leather. I really like it. Sewing is good. Price is a 3. It's starting to push that boundary a bit. Really on the border for being a 2. Features a 4. I give it a 4 because we have an AirTag capable wallet here in such a slim profile. Usability of 4. Again, very easy to use. And perception of 3, which gives us a healthy score of 37 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.